Hello and welcome to session number 2. I'm Mr. Knight and I'm going to be guiding you through today's activity. Welcome to session number 2. This is going to be carrying on with comparing fractions. However, today we're going to be doing some reasoning, so explaining our answers and some solving problems as well. So we'll start off by recapping what we did in the previous session. Compare the two sets of fractions. We've got 6/13ths and 6/11ths. Put the symbol in between those two. And we've got 17/18ths and 17/19ths. So just compare those two sets of fractions. Pause the video now and have a go at doing that. Okay, now that you've done that, you should have that 6/11ths is the larger fraction and 17/18ths, is the larger fraction on the blue set at the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to do today is look at Charlie making a mistake again. So we've got 14/16ths compared to 14/18ths. He has said that 18ths, so 14/18ths is the larger fraction. So we've got to think about why he's incorrect. So here's where we can write down our answer. We can use this sentence down to help us. So I know he's incorrect because. So thinking about what is it that Charlie has done wrong? What mistake has he made and why has he made that mistake? What should he have done? And then what should the correct answer be? Once you've thought about that, pause the video and have a go at writing down your answer or explaining it to an adult. So here's a possible answer he could have written. I know that he's incorrect because the fractions have the same numerator, so we need to compare the denominators. 16ths in the first fraction, that's a smaller number, so the parts are larger, and they're larger than 18ths. So the symbol should be the other way around. I imagine what Charlie's done is he's compared the two denominators, seen that 18 is bigger than 16 and thought that's going to be the bigger fraction. But that's not how it works. When we're comparing those denominators, the smaller the number, the bigger the parts. So here's the problem solving for today. In this first section, we've got A over B is greater than C over 18. All you need to do is replace A, B, and C with numbers to make that statement true. So A over B always needs to be the bigger fraction, but replace A, B, and C with numbers. Once you've done that, move over to the second one. However, A and C must be the same value. So A and C must be exactly the same digit or number. So if A is 7, then C must be 7, for example. Right, so what we need to do now is pause the video and have a go at doing that for yourself. So here are some possible answers. There are loads of different ways of doing this. So just check that your calculations are correct. That first fraction, A over B, always needs to be the bigger fraction. So make sure that's bigger than whatever you have C over 18 as. So that's the end of session number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. Please come back next time for session number 3. Thank you and goodbye.